In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple rows in Smartsheet. If you work with large sheets, being able to quickly remove several rows at once can save you a lot of time and help keep your data clean and organized. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own sheet as we go. First, open the Smartsheet where you want to remove rows. Make sure you're looking at the grid view and confirm that you have permission to edit and delete rows in this sheet. It's also a good idea to double-check that you're in the correct sheet, especially if you manage a lot of similar projects. To start, select the first row you want to delete by clicking directly on its row number on the far left side. This is the gray number cell, not the content inside the row. When you click it, the entire row should be highlighted, showing that it's selected. Now let's add more rows to that selection. If you want to delete a group of rows that are next to each other, you'll select them as a consecutive block. With the first row already selected, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, then click the row number of the last row in that range. Smartsheet will automatically highlight everything between the first and last rows you clicked. This is perfect when you have a continuous section of data you want to remove. If instead you need to delete rows that are spread out and not next to each other, you'll select them as non-consecutive rows. To do this, hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac. While holding that key, click each individual row number you want to delete. Each row you click will be added to your selection, even if there are other rows in between that you're keeping. Once you've selected all the rows you want to remove, right-click on any one of the highlighted row numbers. In the menu that appears, choose the option labeled Delete Row. Smartsheet will remove all of the selected rows at once. Take a moment to quickly scan the sheet and make sure the correct rows are gone and the remaining data looks as expected. Finally, don't forget to save your sheet. Click the Save button or use your usual save shortcut so your changes are stored and you don't risk losing your work.